and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be talking about my BMW E36 320i. It was the cheapest E36 for sale when I bought it, and I'm gonna tell you everything that's wrong with it or that I don't like. And the car has 232,000 kilometers, which is 150,000 miles, so it's a pretty high mileage car, but I still really like this car. So we can start with the inside. What's wrong with it? So first off, the AC isn't working, which is why I have installed these wind deflectors, so I can drive the car with the windows down without all the stupid annoying wind noise. So I'm gonna get the AC fixed sometime. I don't need it. Like, you see where I live. I live here. I don't really need it. and I've heard a lot of people complain about the shifter, like with high mileage E36s, like it's sloppy. But yeah, this is a decent amount of slop. It's in gear and I was out of gear. But I don't think it's really that bad. Like, it's still a notchy gearbox, which I love. But there's one problem I have with this. It does grind when you shift fast into like first and into second like that. It does grind a tiny bit sometimes, so that's the only thing bad. And I don't feel like replacing the sync rings, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Just don't fucking slam it into second gear, and I'll be fine. And this is the thing about all E36s. This cup holders. It's absolutely trash. No cup holder here. There is a plastic thing you can put in here, which will act like a cup holder, but these are the stock cup holders. Like, what the fuck did they think about? You can't fucking have a cup in there. That just doesn't work. So I have, like everyone else, this stupid cup holder, which I absolutely hate. So that's gonna go bye-bye, and I'm gonna buy one of those bits that you stick in here, and that would be my cup holders. What else is broken in here? Nothing else really is broken. Oh yeah, the side glove box, like all E36s have. What else? The handbrake doesn't work. The handbrake literally exploded on me last week. Oh, you know what else exploded? My diff exploded as well. Like, it literally exploded, locked the rear wheels up, and didn't want to move. So I've replaced the diff, and then when we replace the diff and we're gonna tighten up the last few bolts, the axles didn't actually fit, so that didn't work either. So I replaced the diff and both of the axles, and then of course after that my handbrake exploded. So I don't have a handbrake, but because it's a manual for the wins, I just park it in gear, and that's my handbrake. Okay, that's everything on the inside, I think. Yeah, I have cloth seats. I wish I had leather seats, but you can't get everything you want. I have like blue, it's like a dark blue interior, which I actually kind of like. It looks black, but it got a bluish hint to it, so it's not too bad. It could be worse. But other than that, the headliner isn't sagging. It's all up there. Now I can show you this. You know, as a teenager, this is something. I'm falling down. This is something that you need. A subwoofer, 12-inch subwoofer, 1000 watt, I think. Yeah, 1000 watt. It says it right there. It's a pretty small one, but it actually it bumps. It bumps hard. But this car looks amazing from the outside. I absolutely love this car. And I've done a rust repair down here. Resprayed this whole thing. And I think it turned out really well. And I've done the same thing on the right. Turned out pretty well. And here are the wind deflectors that I installed literally today. I usually don't like them, but it gave a pretty cool look, I guess, so it's not horrible. And it looks like a beast from the front. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy a M3 front bumper, so we're gonna get rid of this ugly stock one. And then I wanna get a diffuser or something in the rear. I'm not 100% certain what I want, but I want something to spice up the rear. Ooh, that lens flare. I want something to spice up the rear. Looks kind of boring as it is. And of course, classic old BMW things. Need to replace the badges because they're all disgusting. And yeah, the previous owner decided to respray these, but they didn't properly sand it. So I'm gonna respray the rear bumper. And the same as the front bumper, but that's getting replaced either way, so doesn't really matter. And then black kidney grills is a must, so of course I have to do that. Headlights are looking fine. The previous owner had actually put in angel eyes, and they were all like yellow and crusty, so I removed those. Fog lights doesn't work, so I think I want to paint them black or something when I get the M3 bumper. Not quite sure what I want to do, but I want to do something. We can take a look in the engine bay and see what's up. Okay, it's getting cold. Here is the almighty straight 6. Absolutely love this. Hasn't leaked a single drop of oil. It's so dry down there. Well, you can't really see, but it hasn't leaked a single drop of oil, and that's quite impressive for how many miles it has. One thing I should mention, one thing I want to say that's wrong about this car, the wind just picked up. But whenever I try to lock it with the key fob, the alarm goes off after a few hours for no reason at all. I don't know why. Oh, and I don't know how I can fix it or anything, but so I have to lock it like actually with the key. But other than all those things, it's fine. So I think you guys are all up to speed with this beautiful E36. Well, I say beautiful. I think it's beautiful. Not sure what you guys think. God, my hands are cold. It's like really cold. I really don't think there are a lot of other things to say about this, but I love this car. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's the second car I've ever owned. So I have my E39. It was supposed to be my daily, and then kind of turned into a drift car and stuff like that. So technically this is like my first proper daily, because I didn't have my license when I bought my E39. What else is there to say? The seats are comfy. Haven't had any other problems than the diff exploding and the handbrake exploding. Okay, well, we're gonna be behind the steering wheel now. So that's the only thing. Other than those two, I haven't had any problems with this. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I forgot to mention that I have a custom built exhaust on this, or custom. We basically chopped the exhaust from like in the middle of the car and then rebuilt it from here all the way back. Put a small muffler on it, and I think it sounds absolutely beautiful right now. I'm absolutely in love with this sound. Let's see. As you can hear, it backfires really nicely. Well, it's like small little crackles and pops. I still have the cat on, so it's not gonna make like big fireballs. And of course, it's warm. I've driven it here, and I've only stopped for like 10 minutes, so it's still warm and nice. And with that said, I think it's time to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And is there anything else you want to see with this car? I will be more than happy to do it. I would love to do some like street drifting and stuff. Goddamn. I'd love to do some street drifting and stuff, but I can't really do that because there's no actual snow on the road. It even looks like there's a lot of snow, but that's because I pulled into middle of nowhere. So, oh look, that's a mountain. That's how in the middle of nowhere I am. And then we can do a little burnout here. And with that done, good night guys. Have a great time.